Okay, so we're going to do a weekly recap of basically everything that I've been learning for the past week about mortgages, real estate, the current market. I mean, there's a downward trend. It's May 14th, 2021. But basically, stuff you want to look out for: real estate inflation. Is it an actual thing? And mortgages right now. So, as you've seen, the UWM stuff, all of these mortgage companies, they're all facing something. Because they're all related into the same kind of industry. So I made a video on refinow and refipossible. That's actually a mortgage product, and if you guys aren't familiar with the real estate world, mortgages are a product kind of like houses are a product. So let's say, for example, there's condos, there's single family home, there's apartments, there's a multiplex, and there's commercial. Right, there's a whole bunch of different types of products out there. So just like real estate, mortgages are products and real estates are products. So what type of mortgage products are out there? Well, there are three main ones that pretty much everyone knows. But there are literally thousands of different lenders, and they might have different types of products that we don't know about. So the reason why there's different types of mortgage products out there is because there's brokers out there that might have different types of lenders, and they might strike different deals on what those lenders are willing to accept for risks. So then, they would have to create a mortgage product to conform with, whatever the lender's standards are, and make sure that it's legal. It's not like breaking any kind of ethical or any guidelines that are, centrally established. So again, these are things that I'm learning, and maybe things are going to be different. So this is just my recap of all the research that I've done for the past week. But basically, the three main mortgages are 30-year fixed rate, which it doesn't have to remain 30 years. You could typically have like 5 years, 10 years, 15. It really depends on 20. It really depends on the lender, the broker, product. And then there's adjustable rate mortgages, which again, the years is just whatever you guys agreed upon. And then there are jumbos. So let's say, for example, you are putting a 20% down payment for a $1 million house. So, a jumbo would be, $800,000 plus. I think right now jumbos are over $823,000 as of May 14, 2021. Basically, 30-year fixed or adjustable rate mortgage and jumbos. So that's my recap for now. I will post a new video. If you guys are looking for more in-depth stuff, definitely just hit the comments. Thanks. God, I need some water, actually.